Will AI take over the world? You probably pictured robots with glowing eyes. But it's quieter than that, more corporate. Now it means budget cuts, deepfakes, and your boss asking if you've tried ChatGPT before firing you. Let's stop asking if AI will take over. Let's look at how. Earlier this year, OpenAI, DeepMind, and Anthropic signed a joint warning. They said AI could cause human extinction. Same category as nukes and pandemics. Yes, the people building the doomsday machine finally read the manual. No, they didn't stop coding. The warning didn't say how or when, just, this might kill us. Anyway, carry on. While that's happening, governments are feeding your face into surveillance systems. Judges are being swapped for algorithms, drones are picking targets. Meanwhile, your smart fridge is selling your grocery habits. Your boss's AI calendar just triple booked you. Your kid's homework helper copied a conspiracy blog. One hospital now uses AI to triage a patient unless the power flickers. Then it just panics politely, so no, AI won't take over with tanks. It'll take over with convenience, until you're not sure if you wrote that email or your inbox did. Will AI take over the world? No. It'll make the world too dumb, anxious, and automated to notice it already has. And when it asks for permission, we'll be too busy thanking it for optimizing our layoff. Subscribe to Outsmart AI, and thanks for watching.